Ready to unlock the world of Forex trading with PLUS500? Let's dive into a straightforward guide to get you started in the dynamic Forex market. First, understand currency pairs. Forex trading involves simultaneously buying one currency while selling another. Notice the currency pairs on the left like EUR, USD, GBP, JPY, and USD, CAD. The first currency is the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. Click a currency pair, let's say EUR, USD. You'll see buy and sell options. If you believe the euro will strengthen against the US dollar, you click buy. If you think the opposite, you click sell. Next, let's talk leverage. PLUS500 offers leverage, which magnifies your trading potential. Use it wisely though, as it can also amplify your losses. Adjust the leverage slider and understand the risk involved before proceeding. Risk management is crucial. Always set a stop-loss order. This automatically closes your position if the market moves against you by a certain amount, limiting potential losses. You set these within the trade ticket. This protects your capital. Monitor your open positions. In the open positions section, you can close them manually or let your stop-loss or take profit orders do the work. Keep track to understand what works and what doesn't for your trading strategy.